until very recently, this Konica Autoreflex T SLR film camera was working. The light meter was working, but when I inserted the batteries, I heard a clank tying a metallic springy noise, and after that the light meter suddenly stopped working. I will show you what I found out and show you the solution how to fix this. First, we will need to take off the bottom plate. It is fixed with 3 screws, here, here and here. Okay, let's just start it. First, I will remove the batteries and the battery cap. I overexpose it so you can see what I mean. Inside the battery compartment, that little tab or foot, or how should I call it, it was springy and it was raised from that hole, and now it just sank inside. Just remove the 3 screws. Place it in a place where you can find it. Also, it's a good idea to unmount tiny pieces like this on a textile, so the tiny pieces won't bounce around as like on a wooden table without any sheet. Okay, I took out the 3 screws and the bottom plate simply lifts up. Okay, maybe it will need a little bit of help here where it is the back plate hinge. Okay, here we have the bottom of it. It's a nice mechanical beauty. And here we have the battery compartment. Here are another 3 screws that we need to take out. Take care not to force anything. Here is the first metal part. It is soldered to this red wire. Just move it out of place so it will not bother us, but just steadily and calmly, not to break it. Here we have the battery compartment, and down there we have that little tab. Okay, so it has these 2 kind of ears with the holes, and that hole went into these little 2 pegs. It seems that nothing is broken, but it had some kind of glue, so I will add a tiny bit of super glue and I will glue this part. Let's see if it, okay, it has some cable left over so I can lift it. I just hope I can film and do it in the same time. Move this out of place again. So it should stay something like this. Yes, I will just add a bit of glue here and there and put it back together and test it. Let's hope it will be good. I will use just some simple super glue. If you have better solutions, please let me know in the comments. I'm not, yes, quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional, just use this info as it is. I'm just a hobbyist that tries to resolve stuff. Okay, one droplet, another droplet, and now wait a bit. Okay, I left it around half an hour. It should be okay now, but afterwards, when I tested it with batteries, so I can be sure that it works, I will probably leave the battery cap off. So while it hardens completely, if it emanates, if it produces any fumes, so it will not end up inside the camera. So let's just put it back together. I'm trying not to stress that wire. I usually put back the screws in the same position where they were, even if they seem the same size. Okay, this will be a bit tricky. I'm not used to do these in behind the camera, but I will try to manage it. At first I'm not tighten them, only just a bit. I don't know how they say it in this language, but I remember my father always told me that when I disassemble something that has a lot of screws, I always tighten them diagonally. So if this would have like 5 screws, if this is the first tighten, then this is the second, third, fourth and fifth, something like this. So I put them all and I will just tighten them a bit more. Okay. Yes, that is in the good place now. That little contact, and I will just put back the plate now. You need to take care this place, because that is where the back door release is. Okay, it just slides back to place. And now I will just put the 3 screws back. Again, just until it sits. When everything is in its place, I will just use common sense. Okay, let's just place the batteries inside. I will just use my nails now. I will not tighten it a lot, only a bit. And now let's just hope it works. So there in the right you can see the the metering scale, and now I will turn it on. Okay, it works. Perfect, I'm so happy. I also hope that it will help you, and in that case do not forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. I will just change a couple of shutter speeds so we can see that it works. Yes, it works. I don't know what is that thing on the left. I never saw it in the viewfinder on the camera. But the idea is that it works again. So this can help you if the problem is related to the battery contacts there. Maybe it can be helpful. Okay, have a nice day. Just do not forget to turn it off. And it turned off. And as I said, now I will just leave the batteries and the battery compartment door open at least a night, so that fumes from the super glue will not end up inside the camera. Okay, thanks for watching.